So I've got a piece of 1/2 inch mild steel that I've just machined down the end on. This is going to be my eccentric on the traction engine. I've mounted that in a square ER25 collet block. So it's in an ER25 collet here. I've got the digital dial gauge on here, and you can see I've centered it so it's bang on, and then I've moved it 1mm off center. So it goes from 1mm there to -1 here. It's moving 1mm each way, and that's going to be my eccentric. The valve will move a total of 2mm. It helps to mount this in the 4-jaw, because on small bar it's very difficult to offset it and not damage the material. A little bit of cleaning up to do, but you can see it's got 4mm rimmed hole through the centre, and it's got the 180° offset double eccentric, so that will give me forward and reverse 2mm wide there. In that tiny little slot you can just about see there's an indentation there, and it's 10mm diameter there, 8mm here, so I've got to put a tiny grub screw in this corner here, and that's it.